Hello y'all, Trainman 611 here. Looks like we have a MARC train pulling into the station. Oh wow, is that a Siemens Charger leader? Looks like it's a Charger. Oh my goodness gracious. This might be the one pulling into the station. If it switches tracks, yup, pulling into the station. Yup. This train will be stopping here, so yeah. Where'd you go? Number 80 leading. Alrighty. Number 80 leader, a Siemens Charger. Now this is very cool. Oh wow. This is cool. MARC train stopping. Oh, this is cool. Wow. Looks like a lot of people are getting off here. These are some very cool double stack things. Yeah, number 7828 is the one here. You got the very nice Maryland flag there, because this is the Maryland DOT. And then you have a little thing there. This is so cool. There's a lot of people. Looks like the time is 3:58. So I do believe this is the train going to maybe Washington. I have no idea. Yeah. I'm trying to record up for people's privacy. But the doors have shut.
Ladies and gentlemen, next arrival station stop.
And it looks like
West Baltimore's a low platform station stop. West Baltimore's next. West Baltimore's station stop, please proceed towards.
And there we got movement.
5 and 6. The red train, West Baltimore next.
And there goes the train, Siemens Charger leader, going to Baltimore. Yep, 2 stories. You got a bottom story and a top story. And here's our end with a cab car, 7845. And then possibly might have a meet with the other MARC train, hopefully. If we look around the corner, there's none to be seen because it does have a 4-minute delay. But that was very cool. If you want more stuff like this, make sure to like and subscribe. And as always, we'll see y'all on the next one. Trainman 611, out.